Welcome to our WordPress for Beginners tutorial. If you're looking to create your website or blog, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the basics of using WordPress, from setting up your site to publishing your first post. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to choose a hosting provider and install WordPress. Many hosting services offer one-click WordPress installations. Once you've set up hosting, you can download WordPress from wordpress.org and follow the installation instructions provided by your hosting service. Once WordPress is installed, you can log into your dashboard by going to yourdomain.com/wp-admin. Here's where you'll manage everything about your site. On the left side of your dashboard, you'll see a menu with several options. Let's go through the key sections. Number 1. Posts. This is where you can create and manage your blog posts. Click on Add New to start writing your first post. Number 2. Pages. Use this section to create static pages like About Us or Contact. Click Add New to create a new page. Number 3. Media. Here's where you manage your images and other files. You can upload new media and add it to your posts and pages. Number 4, appearance. This is where you can customize the look of your site. Click on Themes to choose or change your site's theme and customize to adjust your theme settings. Number 5, plugins. Plugins extend the functionality of your site. You can add new plugins by clicking Add New and searching for the features you need. Number 6, settings. Adjust general settings like site title, time zone, and more here. Make sure to review these settings to ensure your site is set up correctly. Let's create your first post. Go to Posts and click Add New. Enter your title and start writing in the content area. You can add images and format your text using the tools provided. Once you're happy with your post, click Publish to make it live on your site. To give your site a unique look, head over to Appearance and then Customize. Here you can adjust colors, fonts, and layout settings to match your brand. You can also add widgets and menus from this section to make your site more functional. Regularly check posts and pages to update your content. Use comments to manage and moderate comments from your visitors. Don't forget to back up your site regularly and keep your WordPress version, themes, and plugins updated. And that's it. You now have the basics of WordPress down. Explore, experiment, and make your site truly yours. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging!